So today I am going to interface how to interface LDR with Arduino controller. Go to file and select the new design. Click OK button. You will get the new window. The first main part is called as Arduino controller. So first you select the port. You type the Arduino. So there are many Arduino controllers are available. Select Arduino UNO. Next one is serial communication. Go to the virtual instrumentation mode and select virtual terminal. So in virtual terminal, there are 4 pins are available. One is called as RXT, TXT. RXT means receiver. This is called TXT means transmitter. In Arduino controller, there is 2 pins are there. One is called as transmitter. Another one is called as receiver. The transmitter is connected to the receiver. And another one is receiver is connected to the transmitter. This is the connection. See here, this is called as 9 pins. So this is called as my male connector. Another one is called as a female connector. So if you take the RS-232 cable, or otherwise you can see here, one is called as a male connector, another one is called as female connector. So male connector is connected to device 1 and the female connector is connected to device 2. So there are 5 pins there. First one there will be a 5 pin. Next one is 4 pin. So that is called as totally 9 pins. So here there are various modes are available. One is called as symbol mode. Another one is called as handshaking modes. So first one is symbol mode means there is no need of the remaining 7 pins. Only the receiver and transmitter is enough. So directly it will send the data to the receiver. So there is no remaining 7 pins no needed. Only 2 pins is enough. So it will not check whether the device is ready or not. It will not check. It will send only the data. But in handshaking mode, what will happen means first here request to send. RTS means request to send. CTS means clear to send. Next one is data terminal ready. Data set ready. So first what will happen means it will check whether the receiver is ready or not. If the receiver is ready, it will ask whether the receiver is ready or not. So if the receiver is ready, it will give one acknowledgement. After acknowledgement, then the transmitter will tell I am going to send the data. After that only it will send the data. That is called as a handshaking signals. So normal mode, it will directly send the data. So it will receiver and transmitter is enough. In handshaking mode, what will happen means first it will send the signal whether you are ready or not. Next, when the receiver, it will give one acknowledgement. I am ready. Next, the transmitter will send another one signal. I am going to send this data. After that only it will send the data. This is called as handshaking mode. So next one is LDR. So there are 2 types of LDR. LDR is available. You take torch underscore LDR active. So this LDR you have to select. So this is called as LDR. Next we need the power resistance. Type RES. Next you rotate this resistance, right click. Next you need a ground pin. Another one is called as a power supply. So go to terminal mode, select power. Next one is ground. So these are the components needed for the LDR interfacing. Next power is connected. Okay. So LDR is called as a sensor. So what is the input is? Input is light, output is resistance value will get changed. So LDR, it is a sensor. So input is called as light, output the resistance will change. So here you can see the LDR, the resistance symbol is available. So input is, this is called as light and this is called as resistance. So based on the light, what will happen means the resistance value will get changed. That is called as LDR. So LDR output is an analog signal. So here in the Arduino controller, right side, there are 13 pins are there, 0 to 13. These pins are called as digital pins. These pins are called as digital pins. You cannot use this digital pin. Here, this left side, they are having the analog pin. So analog, there are 6 pins are available, A0 to A5. So you can use any one pin. A0, you can use A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Any pin you can use. Now I am selecting the A0 pins. Analog 0. A0 means analog 0. D0 means digital 0. So I am selecting analog pins. This is all about the connection of LDR circuit. So this circuit is used. Second unit, you are doing some project. What is a project means? Automatic street light controller. In automatic street light controller, the LDR interfacing is the main thing. By using this LDR interfacing only, you have to control the street lights. So now I am going to explain about LDR interfacing. This is all about the connection. First one is I have told A0. What is meant by A0 means that is called as analog pin. See, analog 0th pin. So I have taken analog 0th pin. So I am putting as analog 0. Suppose you are using analog 1 pin means you can take as analog 1. If you are taking pin number 2 means you can put pin number 2. So I am giving one name. That name is called as sensor pin. So the A0 pin I am taking one name is called as sensor pin. So this value is an integer. So in the first unit we have studied about data types: integer, float, character and void. So here I am using the integer data type. So I am mentioning as an integer. So it is a variable. Here the value will change. So I am putting as integer. If it is a constant value, I can put as constant integer. But here the value will get changed. So I am putting as integer. Next one is integer is called as a data types. Next one is sensor value is equal to 0. So initially what happens means the sensor value. What is the output of the sensor value? It is 0. I am assuming that the sensor value is 0. Next, there are two functions are there. One is called as a void setup. Another one is called as a loop function. There are two functions are there. So what is the use of void setup means? So when you want to do the continuously, you want to run the program means you want to write it in the loop function. So if you want to run the program only one time means you have to write it in the setup function. So I am going to write one function, serial dot begin bracket 9600. So what is the meaning means? So we are studied now 3 types of serial communication. One is called as RS-232 or called as UART. In the first unit we have studied. Next one is I2C. Another one is called as SPI. So here by using the by using the RS-232, I am going to transfer the data from Arduino microcontroller to display serial communication. So here I want to fix the baud rate. So what is the baud rate means? 9600. So baud rate means number of bits transmitted per second. In 1 second, 9600 bits will be transmitted from Arduino to the output device. Okay, you want to fix the baud rate. But in SPI, there is no need to fix the baud rate. But in I2C and UART or RS-232, you have to fix the baud rate. So normally you are using the standard baud rate, that is called as 9200. Next you are going to for the loop function. Here sensor pin. So sensor pin is called as an A0 pin. So the LDR output will be connected to the sensor pin. Suppose you are giving input as light. Based on the light, what will happen means you will get an output. The output is given to the sensor pin. So that output is an analog signal. So what you have to do means analog read. If it is an digital data means you have to use digital read. But I told it is an analog output. So I am reading as analog read. So it will read the value and it will store in the sensor value. See here, initially I have stored the value as 0. So now what will happen means it will read the value from the A0 pin and it will store the value in the sensor value. This is called as one variable. There are two variables are there. Sensor value is one variable. Sensor pin is another one variable. So sensor pin is nothing but analog pin number 0. It will read the data from the analog pin and it will store the value in the sensor value. So this is called as a variable. So variable means it is used to store the data in the memory. For that purpose, you are using this variable. So first it will read the data from the particular pin and it will store in the sensor value. Next one is serial out print. So output. So what means in the display we can see here one output will come. Next one is serial print LN. So why you are using this LN means, so next line, first it will display the first value. After that, next value you have to print in the next line. So LN means nothing but next line. So if you remove this what means continuously the value will be printed. What will be printed means first output will come, next what is the value, next output value. Continuously it will print. But if you put LN, so it will go to the next line. So here we are using the delay. So you can increase the delay and you can decrease the delay. So this is all about the program for serial communication, LDR interfacing with serial communication. Now double click the Arduino controller. Program file, LDR. Okay, now you run. So if now I am not getting the output, debug, last one is called as virtual terminal. If your output is not coming, what you have to do means you have to go and select from the debug virtual terminal. So now what is the output I am getting? 10. So first line I am getting output is equal to 10. Next second value, second line. So that is a use of the LN. Now I am increasing the value, the light intensity I am increasing. So the output value also it will get increased. Okay, do you understand? So these are about the LDR interfacing. So the assignment for this experiment is, so I have used the serial communication UART. But what you have to do means, you have to display the value in the LCD display. Assignment is LDR, you have to interface with the Arduino controller and you have to display the value in the LCD display. So in the first unit, I have explained how to display the value in the LCD. Same thing only. Only you have to do some changes in the program and you have to do the small changes in the circuit also.